What's up, guys? It's Marissa and Gavin from Krietz Customs, and today we are doing frequently asked questions from our viewers and customers, and what we get asked all the time.
Oh yeah, it's fun. Same question every day. Let's do it.
Every single day.
The question is what is trimming and how much do you need? So that honestly all depends. With some of our setups, trimming is basically just wheel well liner, the felt and the wheel well. That's the majority of the trimming we do. It depends on the setup, but usually on our setups for the regular 6-inch kit with the 22/12 wheels with the negative 44, 45 offset and then 35-inch tires, we just do minor plastic. In some cases, with the F-150s, we remove some of the metal components too and say goodbye to those mud flaps.
Yeah, especially on the GM trucks, a lot of the mud flaps have to be completely taken out of the front with the 22/12 35-inch tire with the 6-inch builds. Mud flaps completely have to be taken out, and even on some of the newer Fords, the front crash bars have to be removed as well. So you have to be mindful of your build specifically on what type of trimming is involved, and obviously we're the experts, so we'll be able to tell you what's going to be done.
Yeah. All right, so the question is, what is first, lift kit or wheels and tires?
Well, starting off, if you're doing a 6-inch suspension build, you have to do everything all at once.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the 6-inch builds require 20-inch or larger aftermarket wheels because of the back spacing and the fitting around the larger knuckles you're putting on the build. So 6-inch or bigger, you got to do everything all at once.
I think the majority of the cost comes from the wheels and tires, so I would kind of save that and just do the suspension first. I'm more of a suspension guy. I always do the suspension first so you don't have to worry about it.
That's where we disagree. I think wheels and tires are the go-to first.
Oh yeah?
You gonna skip leg day?
Yeah. Skip leg day.
There's really no right or wrong answer to this question unless you're doing a 6-inch build and having to do it all at once.
Yeah, it just depends.
But I want to show my shoes off before my whole outfit.
It's a good call. I'd rather get the majority of the grunt work done, before you go on the wheels and tires, the pretty part,
The pretty part?
Yeah, that's the pretty part.
I mean, I can see that. Yeah. The good thing, though, is, again, we are the experts. So if you have questions about lifting first, wheels and tires first, come into Krietz Auto or Krietz Customs, and we'll sit down and walk you through the whole process, which is going to be the easiest for you guys. So that way, we have a feel of what kind of build you're looking for and what's going to be the best option for you price-wise.
Come see your boy.
Okay.
All right, so the question is if I get wheels and tires, do I need an alignment? Depends on how bad your alignment is. Now,
technically,
if you're just doing wheels and tires, you don't need an alignment unless it's anything suspension related.
Yeah.
If the alignment is off, though, I would recommend getting an alignment.
Yeah. I would definitely, our technicians do, a 30-point inspection on the vehicle, so if there's something out of alignment, then obviously we would let you know beforehand to let you know that you do need one. But really, you're not doing anything suspension related, so there's no need to do an alignment if you're doing just wheels and tires.
Yeah. All right, question is, can you still tow with your vehicle lifted? Yes, you can. You can still tow with the proper equipment. So usually what I recommend is airbags in the rear and a drop pitch, obviously. So the airbags in the rear help support the rear end. With it being lifted, we have to change the shocks out. So with the aftermarket shocks on, you're going to get some sagging when you go to tow. And obviously with it being higher off the ground, you're going to need a drop hitch just so that you can match whatever you're towing and that hitch just to make sure you have enough clearance.
Yeah, you definitely want to make sure your trailer height's always going to be level when you are towing, obviously for reasons that most people are aware of. But with like Gavin said, you do lose some of the towing capabilities of the truck when you do lift the vehicle 6 inches. So recommended the helper bags, like he said, to kind of help with the sagging of the vehicle when towing with the load on the back. And the drop hitch, again, to keep your trailer level.
Yep.
But yeah, it's definitely possible. I wouldn't suggest putting a fifth wheel on a 6-inch lifted truck.
No bueno.
But a 1500 F-150 with just with a ball hitch on the back, definitely doable.
Yeah.
I think that wraps up the frequently asked questions from our customers. If you guys have any more questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from Marissa and Gavin. That was good.